don't have a big enough building. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I'm about 5 inches too high. Close, but not close enough. So this is as far as I can get, which is all right. This is as far as I need to get for today. Today's the moment of truth. I've been sitting on this truck for a week here since I brought it home. Haven't had time to touch it yet. Today's the day. If you watched the last video, I kind of started telling the story. This truck has a little bit of coolant in the oil. I gambled when I bought it because I got it for a really good price. And a common problem with these Cat C12 engines, the water pump leaks internally and puts coolant in the oil. So I took a gamble. Everything else seemed right on it. I bought the truck with coolant in the oil. I know that I'm already just saying that out loud makes me feel like an idiot. But today I'm going to drop the oil pan, pressurize the coolant system, and we're just going to see what's going on here. And hopefully if it's a water pump, easy fix, I'm a genius. If it's a head problem, I'm an idiot. So I'm not too proud to show you this. So I'm just going to get some latex gloves on, get underneath there and get to work. Guess it would help if I hit record. I already cracked this loose. Talking to myself here, then I realized I never hit record. 9 gallons of oil. Let's commence the spillage. Well, that's looking pretty nasty already just from the 60 miles I put on this truck. That being said, we didn't get every drop of old oil out of it. The thing I mentioned in the last video, I changed the oil before I brought it home. I was going to save this oil, but it's not looking very likely. Sorry, I probably haven't been doing the best job filming, but I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't focused on some other stuff here. Well, this is free. It's gonna be real hard for me to drop this by myself, but let's see what kind of mess we can make.
Oh boy. No, 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 you don't tip. Come on. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, there's a wire back there. I gotta make sure it doesn't get caught. I should have pressure washed this thing first. Stupid. Oh. What is that dumbness? Who puts a airline bracket attached to the oil pan? Definitely should have brought an extra shirt. I should just keep shirts out here, really. All right. Why do I feel like that's going to be a little bit harder to put back together? Lovely. Awesome. So if you ever wondered what the inside of a motor looks like from underneath, there you have it. You can see right up under the bottom of the pistons there, connecting rods, crankshaft, bearings, and oh, you can see that disgusting oil dripping. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this drip down. I'm going to let all this disgustingness drip. I actually have to go over to the farm and work on a tractor real quick, so I'm going to just let this drip. When I come back, I'm going to pressurize the coolant. And what I want to see is it leaking over here in the front of the motor where the water pump is. If that happens, that means it's the water pump. That means I'm going to go skipping to Caterpillar and happily write them a $600 check and put in a new water pump. If it drips from anywhere else, we got problems. And I am nervous beyond belief because I'm already seeing stuff here that I don't like. That looks like coolant to me. Oh, what did I do? Well, stay tuned. I'll bring you back with a definitive answer. So this is going to be our moment of truth. Honestly, I'm not very optimistic based on what I've seen so far, but let's throw some pressure to it and see what's broken. Should have used one that worked off of shop air. It's a big cooling system. This might take a lot of cranks. So I ended up hooking up the shop air. I got tired of pumping. The results are pretty conclusive. Not good. Not good at all. You guys better start buying some lumber.
I'm gonna need some funds for this project. Between the second and third cylinder, just what I thought. Coolant. She's gonna need some head work. Gambled and I lost. What can I say? Can't be mad at anybody but myself. That's just the way it goes. It's gonna be pricey. From here, I'm button this thing back up. I gotta make a call to a diesel shop. That's way above my pay grade. I'm not tearing into the head of this thing. I'm not equipped for it. Don't have the expertise. So I gotta talk to a pro and find out how bad the news is. So I'll keep you up to date. What I thought was going to be on the road here pretty quick, this is going to turn into a job. So it is what it is. This is working with equipment. This is buying used equipment. Sometimes you win. I've been pretty lucky in my career, but this is definitely a loss. I mean, basically, when I say a loss, I don't know. It remains to be seen. Remains to be seen what I get into this head job. But what went from a really good buy is probably an average buy with a bunch of headaches to get there. So yeah, I'm kicking myself in the butt. But show will go on. We'll keep selling lumber and pay for this stuff. So I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.